What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone's having an awesome day. Hope everyone's doing well. If you're new to the channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell button. That way you don't miss any of the videos. So for today, we actually have the Trim Hybrid Ceramic Restorer by Meguiars. I actually just finished washing the Versa. So let's go ahead and see what kind of results we'll get, and we'll get started right after this. Alright guys, so even though I watched the vehicle, I wanted to go ahead and prep it and make sure that there was no grease on there or any oils or whatever. So I am actually using the Chemical Guys Nonsense at 20-to-1. Alright guys, so I finished prepping the trim, and the reason for that is because you want to make sure that you clean it up very well. As you can see, it's still dirty. It was dirty, but now it's cleaned up and we're ready to go ahead and try the trim restorer. You want to make sure that you prep it just like the way that you prep your tires, and make sure you clean your tires really well so that way your tire shine can stay. Same thing with the trim. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so I wanted to go ahead and read some of the literature on the bottle. It says directions: shake well, wash or clean surface before applying product, apply to a clean, cool, and dry surface in the shade. Not in the shade, I'm actually in direct sunlight, but it's pretty cool today. But I do recommend doing it in the shade because I did have some streaking issues. Number 1, dispense a quarter size amount onto the applicator pad or towel. 2, work product evenly onto one section of the exterior trim at a time. 3, allow product to dry for 5 to 10 minutes. The longer the product remains on the surface, the darker the appearance. 4, wipe off excess with microfiber towel. Tip: severely oxidized surface benefit from 2 to 3 applications, as additional applications of the product can improve darkness. If product gets on paint or glass, remove with a clean towel. All right, guys, so for my final thoughts on the trim restorer, I thought it did a good job. It is a little bit thick, so you have to work it in. Here's what it looks like after about 30 minutes. In my opinion, it did a pretty good job. Now I just got to see how long it lasts, and I'll be making shorts. So keep that on the look for those. All right, guys, if you liked the video, make sure you hit that like button. If you appreciate this type of content, make sure to subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. Hope everyone has an awesome day. Take care.